All right, so here we've landed on our Facebook page, Upper Deck Design and Construction. And yes, our picture here is showing how we've expanded our company into our Upper Deck Concrete division. We're very excited about that. We're now offering stamped, colored, and California finish concrete patios. So we are your one call deck pro and your one call patio pro. We can take care of you from start to finish on both of those types of projects. We also are featuring our Deck of the Week competition on here, or contest. And you can scroll through and see all of our posts and check us out. I've got projects on here. I've got before and afters. I have some testimonials. You can find all of our contact info on here. So your first step in getting a hold of us is you can come right to our Facebook page. You can go ahead and go to our Instagram as well. But this is our contact. Chris's number's here. We've got my email here. You can also send us a message. And then if you'd like to check out any of the work that we've done, you can come right to this link here, which is our website. You can go ahead and click on that. It will also show you that we are announcing our concrete division. But just scroll on down, and our contact info is here as well. You can fill out your name, your email, your phone number, give us a preferred method of contact. You can show or click what project type you're looking for, your project timeline, which is very important to us as well. You can click and view all of our work, from wood decks, composite, pool decks, concrete patios, pergolas, 3-season rooms. I do a few before and afters in here. And then our rain escape, for those of you that don't know, it's a drainage system that goes underneath your deck. If you were to have like a walkout basement and you wanted to keep the underneath part dry, maybe put a sunroom in there, something like that. But you can go ahead and take a look at all those pictures. It does show our Google reviews kind of scrolling through here. Our service areas are down here. And just about anywhere on this page, you can contact us for your consultation. And like I said, we'd be more than happy to get you guys on our schedule. And the sooner the better, especially this time of year, so we can get everything going for you and you can get into our deck rotation. We do have some tips. We do have the portfolio. And then our About page, I think, is very important. It just gives you a scope of who and what Upper Deck is. We are a family-owned company. Chris, he has been doing this for a long time, as you can see, 14 years of age. He started working in the deck business. And we've got a 5-star Google rating on here. We're always actively involved in every single project. We do have 3 wonderful, wonderful carpenter crews and 1 demo crew. And Chris and I are very involved in all the projects that happen here. And we're always here to answer your question, your email, your text, your call, whatever it might be. We also offer, I shouldn't say offer, but we order and we get our supplies through and from Jay's Deck Center. He's in Sugar Grove. You can click right on here. It would take you to Jay's website where you can kind of thumb through that. And of course, we can always help you navigate to get to the design center or to the showroom. And you can see some samples and look at the products that we use here at Upper Deck as well. So when you're booking your consultation, you could always kind of ask me about that, and we can go ahead and give the information to get in touch with them as well. Our service areas are all located right down in here. Again, our contact information. You definitely will be able to get a hold of us. And we also offer some financing. That's a great way to push your project forward, maybe move it up a little bit. Maybe you want to pay for half in, your savings or what you've been holding on to, furnish your projects around the house. And if you need a little bit more, there is an option through this company called Hearth. We've partnered with them. You can go ahead and just click on there. It's a quick, easy, very soft pool. It doesn't hurt your credit. 60-second decision. And then if you want to go further, they'll give you a list of companies you can choose from. You can click on that and then just follow their instructions on how to proceed. So that is another option that we do have.